Morning everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing well. Myself Alok, your moral science teacher. I would like to welcome you in this class. Dear students, in last class we have completed lesson number 10. All the activities and lesson number 10 we have completed. Okay, and in today's class we are going to start a new lesson, that is the lesson number 11. Godwin the mechanic. Okay, so let's start the class. In last class you have studied that Godwin and all four, Godwin, Chisimba, Rose and Musunda, all four were talking about their future plan, what they will do in their future. So the talk is going on like that, and that talk is coming to that Godwin, what is the Godwin talent? He's able to fix the things properly, he's well in fixing the things, so he can become a mechanic. But Godwin is saying I need a training, and so Chisimba has given the suggestion that you should talk to Mr. Chiesu. Okay, he can teach you. So that only today, after that we are going to study in this chapter. Okay, so what happened? Early in the morning, Chisimba and Godwin walk to the market. As they get nearer, they hear the sounds of people trading and bargaining, roasters crowing, and music playing from the radios in some of the shops. What happened? As Chisimba and Godwin, they are walking towards the market. And when they are coming the nearer to the market, they are able to listen some sounds. That what is happening in market people are that trading, they are buying and selling something, so their talk is going on, bargaining is there, someone is talking that how much cost is this, can you make is this much or that, so bargaining is going on, trading and bargaining sound is coming people, roasters crowing, roasters means what, that hen, that roasters means what, that hens are there, no, cock, so that they are making the sound, that sound is coming, and the music playing from the radios in some of the shop, and in some of the shops that loudspeaker, that radios are there, sound box is there, some music sound is coming. So this type of sound is common when you go to the market, you will also listen this kind of sound. Okay, so that only sound they are able to listen. Mr. Chiesu, a short elderly man, is sitting outside of his shop. He is clearing the pieces of a small engine and humming a melody while he works. His face lights up when he sees Chisimba and they shake hands. In second paragraph, what it is explained, that Mr. Chiesu, about Mr. Chiesu it is explained. Mr. Chiesu is a short-heighted old man, elderly man, okay, and what he is doing, he is sitting outside his shop, okay, and what he is doing, he is cleaning a piece of a small engine, some parts are there, that part he is cleaning and humming a melody while he works, while he is working he is humming means what, in mind if you sing a song, means in Hindi it is called gungunana, humming, okay, so that he was humming a melody, his song, okay, and he is doing his work, and when he sees, when that his face becomes light up, means he smiles or his face becomes lights up when he sees Chisimba, okay, and then after what they are doing, both are shaking their hands, okay. Now what happened, Chisimba introduces Godwin and explains that he is good at fixing things. Godwin is nervous, but he finds the courage to speak up. He clears his throat and says, Mr. Chiesu, I am interested in becoming a mechanic. So I was thinking maybe I could help you in your shop and learn from you. Okay. What is happening, Chisimba, he is knowing Mr. Chiesu, Godwin is not knowing, so Chisimba, what he is doing, he is introducing Godwin, because he is explaining that Godwin, he is Godwin, my friend, Okay, and explains that he is good at fixing things. His talent is that he can fix the things nicely. Okay, and Godwin, now what is happening, he feels nervous there. Okay, but then also he finds his courage, he gathers his courage and speaks up. He clears his throat and says that Mr. Chiesu, I am interested in becoming a mechanic, I want to become a mechanic, so I was thinking that I can help you in your shop and I can learn from you something. Okay, so that what Mr. Chiesu is replying, Mr. Chiesu is saying, well, I could use the help, okay, Mr. Chiesu, but I do not have the money to pay you. Mr. Chesu is explaining that yes, well, I need help, I can use your help, but I will not able to pay you. Okay, but I do not have the money to pay you, I don't have that much money, so I can pay you. Okay, then Godwin is replying that it does not matter, I just want to learn. Godwin is saying that it does not matter, I don't want money, just I want to learn, says Godwin. And when can I start? When can I start the work in your shop, repair shop? So there is no time better than now. Mr. Chesu is saying there is no time better than now. Means if anything you want to start, so the better time is what? That time only you can start. So that's no time better than now. So it means you can start from now only. Answers Mr. Chesu. Can you stay this morning? Can you stay this morning? These pieces needs oiling and then we have to put the engine back together. Okay. So Mr. Chesu is saying that can you stay this morning, means can you start from now only, from this morning, and these pieces needs oiling, means these engine parts pieces, it need oiling, and then after we have to put this engine back together. Okay, now I can start right now, asks Godwin with surprise. Now Godwin is surprised and he's saying, now can I start right now? His question mark is that he is surprised. He was not expecting that he will start working from just now. So he is surprised and he is saying, now, question mark is there in exclamation. Okay, and he is saying that I can start right now. Okay, ask Godwin with surprise. Now the last paragraph, this is there, of course. Then he is saying, of course, light laughs Mr. Chesu, roll up your sleeves and get working. Now this is a proverb that roll up your sleeves. That for starting any work, what is happening? We are rolling up our sleeves, rolling our sleeves, like our sleeves are there. We are folding our sleeves, and so this is a proverb, means you get ready. Okay, of course, laughs Mr. Chesu and says that roll up your sleeves and get working. Godwin eagerly begins his new work. After a few minutes, Chesimba stands up to leave. Okay, Godwin very eagerly he is doing his new work. He is ready to do new work and he is doing his new work. Starts his new work. Okay, after a few minutes, Chesimba now he stands up to leave that place because he has to go back. He says Godwin goodbye to Mr. Chesu and he leans over and whispers confirmation in Godwin's ear. Okay, now Mr. Chesimba is ready to go home and now he is saying goodbye to Mr. Chesu and he leans over. Leans over means he bends over the Godwin and says, whispers in his ears. What he whispers? He says confirmation in Godwin's ear. Okay, and on his way home, Chesimba passes the clinic and sees Rose and Musunda helping with the children. Okay, while going to home, where Chesimba is going, he is going to the health clinic. And there, who is there? Rose and Musunda. What they are doing? They are helping the children. Okay, the girls are curious to know what happened. How did it go? They ask. Okay, both the girls, they are curious to know about the Godwin and they are asking how did it go. Okay, then Chesimba is replying that Godwin made an effort and it worked. Okay, Godwin made an effort and it worked. Now he is doing his work. He is there right now. I think Mr. Chesu wanted to test him out. Okay, according to my understanding, Mr. Chesu, he wanted to test him, and now I think he's success. He got the success. Answer Chisimba. The girls go back to their activities with the children. Again, after the talking, the girls they went back. They go back to the activities with the children, and helping others is a good thing. Chisimba's thought as he turns down the road to his home. He whistles cheerfully. As while he is going, he is thinking that helping others is a good thing. Okay, he is thinking. Who is thinking? Chisimba is thinking, and he is passing the road, and he whispers cheerfully, and he is very happy, and he whistles cheerfully. Okay, like this story is over. So dear students, what you have learned in this story? In this story you have learned that whenever you make an effort, then you will be successful. Like suppose you want to do anything, first you have to start that work. When you will try, then only any other people can help you. If you don't try and you will think that God will help me or any other person will help me in my work, then it is not possible. When you start your work first, then only any other people can help you. Okay, so it means you have to try, then only other people can help you, otherwise no people can help you. So this thing you have learned. And second thing you have learned about the helping people is a good thing. We must help other people. We must offer our help to the person who is need our help. Okay, so now let's go to the question and answer. So first question, it is given, where do Chisimba and Godwin go together early in the morning? So the answer is like this. Early in the morning, Chisimba and Godwin go to the market. Now question number 2. Second question is there, what sounds do they hear as they get near the market? The answer is that as they get near the market, they hear the sound of people trading and bargaining, roasters crowing, and music playing from radios in some of the shops. Okay, so this is the second question. Sorry. Now second question over. Now third question. What is the question number 3? What words describe Mr. Chesu? Means talking about Mr. Chesu. That what is the structure of Mr. Chesu? The answer is Mr. Chesu is a short and elderly man. Means Mr. Chesu is short-heighted and old man. Okay. Fourth number question. What is he doing when the boys arrive at his shop? Means talking about the Mr. Chesu, that what Mr. Chesu is doing when the boys are arriving at his shop. So answer is he is cleaning the pieces of a small engine and humming a melody when the boys arrive at his shop. Okay. Now question number 5. How does Godwin feel? So very simple answer, that Godwin feels nervous. Okay. Question number 6. Is Mr. Chesu able to pay Godwin for his help in the shop? So answer is yes or no answer. So answer is no. No, Mr. Chesu is not able to pay Godwin for his help in the shop. Question number 7. When does Godwin start working? So the answer is Godwin starts working from same day. From the same day he starts working. What does Chisimba whisper in Godwin's ear when he leaves? Answer is Chisimba whispers confirmation in Godwin's ear when he leaves. Question number 9. Where does Chisimba go on his way home? The answer is Chisimba goes to the clinic on his way home. And this is question number 10. To whom does he talk? The answer is he talks with Rose and Musunda. And this is the last question, question number 11. What does Chisimba think as he walks home? As Chisimba walks home, he thinks that helping others is a good thing. Okay, so this is the chapter is going to over, class is going to over. Now today's home assignment, today's homework. Today's first homework is that read lesson 11 nicely and try to understand. You will read this lesson once or twice again and try to understand. And second homework is there, do the question and answer of lesson 11 in your book and learn nicely. So this is today's homework. Now today's class is over. So that's all for today's class. Thank you students. Bye everyone. Have a nice day.